713 North Beatty, July 29th. We're doing another camera on the lateral. We weren't able to get to the end with the jetter. There's just too much debris at the flow line of this pipe. We're gonna pull the camera back and take a look at a couple spots. You can see all of that rock and gravel, and then we can see those cracks that are starting, and then up at the 12 o'clock of the pipe we can see a section that's looks like it's missing terracotta. So we're just going to pull it all the way back to the soil stack clean out here.